Hello all. In this tutorial we are going to see comments and variables in Python. Let's start with comment. To comment things in Python, we'll use this hash symbol. This is commented, and to check this, let's assign this to a variable text and give quotation. Let's try printing this text. We'll get error. Name text is not defined. Since we have commented this, we are getting this error. This is how we usually do comment in Python. And now let's look into Python variables. Python variables are usually named with lowercase, say text equal to I am a string. This is a string variable, so we have given the double quotes. String variable can also assign with single quotes. Another text is equal to I am another string. Let's run this. I am a string, I am another string. Okay. For int, we'll just use number. Now let's do addition of the two numbers, num1 plus num2. The desired output is 30. We have got 30 as output. What else? Okay, now let's see how to print a description with a variable. I am a string. Okay, so I'm going to print a string that is assigned to text. For this, I can use this plus to concat the description and the variable. I am a string, that is the description I gave, and I am a string is the text. So we have got it right. And then in this I'm trying to concat this number variable, which will not give the desired output. Can only concatenate string, not int to string. Since this is a string and this is an integer variable, we are getting error. So what we have to do is we have to use a comma in between. So now we'll get the desired output. I am a string and 20 is the assigned value for this variable number. Okay. And there is one more thing called global variables in Python. Not in Python, in all the programming languages. In Python, let's see how to use it. I'm using a function for telling this. We'll see about functions in further videos. Def myFun is a function name, and inside this I'll use a global variable with the keyword global. Global is a keyword. I'm using X, and inside this I'm assigning a value to X. I am a global variable. Okay, this is inside a function now. I'm calling this function, not printing anything in this function, just calling this function to assign a global variable and the value for it. And here I'm I'm going to print the assigned global variable. If it is a normal variable, we'll get an error here, but since it is a global variable, we'll get output I am a global variable. Okay. Now we can remove this global keyword and then try. We are getting name x is not defined since we are not using the global variable in here. Okay. This is how we'll use variables in Python. Let's see about the Python data types in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.